Are you planning to visit the United States as a tourist? Then the B2 visa is something you need to know about. In this video, we will provide you with the ultimate guide to the U.S. tourist visa application process. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. The B2 visa is intended for tourists, but it can also be used for medical treatments or attending conferences. Ensure that you meet the criteria before proceeding. Step 2. Complete the DS-160 form. This online form is compulsory and requires accurate information about your personal details, purpose of the visit, and background information. Step 3. Pay the application fee. It is important to note that the fee is non-refundable, even if your application is denied. So, make sure to double-check everything before submitting. Step 4. Schedule an interview. After submitting your DS-160 form, you'll need to schedule an interview at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. The interview is an important step, as it allows the consular officer to ask questions about your purpose of travel and assess your eligibility. Step 5. Prepare supporting documents. These may include your passport, travel itinerary, financial statements, proof of ties to your home country, and any other documents related to your purpose of visit. Ensure that you have all the necessary paperwork in order to increase your chances of approval. Step 6. Attend the interview. Dress professionally and arrive on time. Answer all questions honestly and provide any additional documents if requested. Finally, wait for a decision. The processing time may vary, so it's important to be patient. If approved, your passport will be stamped with the visa, allowing you to enter the U.S. as a tourist. Remember, the B2 visa is not a guarantee of entry. You still need to go through customs and border protection upon arrival. Thanks for watching our video about the B2 visa application process. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.